I am selecting one beef burger. Add to order. I want to order more. I am going for cold beverages. I am selecting one blueberry Pepsi, 2 quantity. Add to order. Now I want to order more. Hot beverages. I am selecting one flat white, 1 quantity. Now here I can review my order. 1 flat white, 2 blueberry Pepsi, 1 beef burger. I am confirming my order. I have 2 options. I am going to pay this with card. Bank is initiated. I can see the details in Windows Self-serve. My payment is successful. I got the restaurant receipt.